Here I have Umidigi A3S, and today I'm going to show you how to exit Fastboot Mode on this device. So, if you enter Fastboot Mode on purpose or not, maybe you just accidentally selected Fastboot Mode feature here and you have no idea how to exit this mode, so I will tell you the answer is very simple. You just have to hold down power key for about 10 or 15 seconds and just hold it like this, and after that your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.